In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Mail for beginners. Whether you're new to this email platform or just looking to brush up on the basics, we'll walk through the essential steps to navigating Zoho Mail comfortably and effectively. First, let's start by accessing Zoho Mail. Open your web browser and visit the Zoho Mail website by entering mail.zoho.com in the address bar. Once the page has loaded, you'll want to make sure you're logged in. If not, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're in, let's dive into composing an email. You'll see the option to click on New Mail, which is usually located at the top left corner of your dashboard. Clicking here will open a new window for you to start composing your message. Next up, let's add the recipients. In the To field, type in the email address of the person or people you wish to send your email to. If you need to send it to multiple recipients, you can separate their addresses using commas. Zoho Mail also allows you to add contacts from your address book by clicking the small icon next to the To field. Once you've got your recipients sorted out, move on to typing in your subject line and your email message. The subject line is crucial as it's the first thing your recipient sees, so make it clear and concise. Then, in the larger body field, type out your message as you normally would. Remember, it's always nice to have a short intro and a closing note for a professional touch. Should you want to enrich your message with images, you can easily do that too. Click on Insert Image above the message body. You'll then see the option to choose an image to upload on mobile. Select an image file from your computer and click Open to upload it into your email. When you're happy with your setup, click on Insert to add the image to your message. You can drag and resize it within the email window to suit your layout preference. Finally, it's time to send your email. You'll find the Send button at the bottom of your Compose window. If you'd prefer to send the email at a later time, you have the option to click Send Later and schedule the email at your chosen time and date. Once your email is sent, you might want to check back on any incoming replies. For that, click on Inbox from the menu on the left side. This takes you to your received messages, allowing you to read, respond, or manage them accordingly. If you need to manage deleted items, access your Alt Trash. Here, you can select an email and choose to restore it back to your inbox if you've mistakenly deleted it and need it back. And that wraps up our guide. By following these steps, you should be able to navigate Zoho Mail with more confidence and ease. Happy emailing!